Play with him a little bit.
Go get it. Hey, no, not the finger.
Dylan, Sienna.
Dylan. Hey, buddy. Oops, we don't want you going back there. Come here.
Dylan, Sienna.
Come here, guys.
This is
Dylan.
Sienna's first time home.
Dylan.
And she's showing her friend Dylan all her balls. And yes, my dogs are going to be spoiled rotten.
Hey, Dylan. Come here, buddy.
Dylan loves the balls. He can't figure out how to get more than one in his mouth at the same time.
It's certainly not for lack of trying.
And yes, Dylan likes to be on top of his sister as much as possible.
Okay. Whoa, you're just...
Uh-oh, we lost a dog.
Hey! I got it now. Go get it. I got it. Go get it.
Good boy. Good boy, Dylan.
Sienna, come on, sweetheart. Hey. Sienna seems to be far more interested in my hand than the balls. Here, give me that. I got it. Hey, buddy.
We're going to send this to Joe and Anne-Marie. Bouncing puppies.
Soccer puppy.
Bouncing puppies.
There you go, Dylan. Go get it.
Sienna, go play.
One, huh? You like red for some reason? Come here, buddy.
Sienna.
Hi, Sienna. Yeah, get him. Get him. Here you go, Sienna.
I love how they bounce.
Come here, buddy. Hey, Dylan, come here, buddy. Yeah, they like keep away. I got it. Go get it, buddy. Well, we don't want you going in there.
Well, if you didn't throw them so far.
Yeah, I know. You're just adorable. Wow, I got it.
So what are you going to attack your brother while he attacks the balls? Is that what it is? As they bounce?
Tell me you got that.
I'm getting it all.
Buddy. Here we go. I got it. This one has a squeaker, I thought. But nothing.
Some of them don't.
I think it has a squeaker, but it's just not working.
That's from the bag of balls. It's not as good.
Whoa, I got your attention on that one, huh? Whoa, here we go. Whoa, bye-bye.
Come on, Dylan, bring it back.
Come here, buddy. Dylan, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Dylan, come here. Dylan,
Sienna.
Hey, guys, bring the balls back.
Uh-oh, she's smelling.
Oh!